Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Swiffer Sweeper Vacuum is probably one of the most popular cleaning gadgets on the market, and for good reason. Its lightweight design and powerful suction make quick work of dirt, dust, and debris on various floor types, offering a convenient and effective cleaning solution for busy individuals and families alike. This video will explore its features, performance, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right cleaning companion for your home. Number 5. Swiffer Sweeper 2-in-1 Kit. This innovative 2-in-1 tool combines the power of a broom and a mop, eliminating the need for a dustpan or bucket. It's the perfect solution for quick and efficient cleaning. Use the dry cloths to trap and lock away dirt, dust, and hair. Its thousands of microscopic fibers attract and trap even the finest particles. The wet cloths dissolve dirt and grime, leaving your floor sparkling clean. The unique design ensures dirt stays trapped, preventing it from being re-released. It's safe for use on tile, hardwood, and vinyl flooring. However, please avoid using it on unfinished, oiled, or waxed wood, unsealed tiles, or carpeted floors. It's incredibly easy to assemble. Simply click the poles together and attach the cleaning cloth. Its compact size makes it ideal for small spaces and easy to store. Get an effective clean in minutes. It's lightweight, easy to maneuver, and leaves your floors looking spotless. Buy with confidence. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer a money-back guarantee. Try it today and experience the Swiffer difference. What we like? It's a versatile cleaning tool that functions as both a broom and a mop, eliminating the need for extra tools. Its unique cloths trap dirt and lock it away, leaving your floor spotless. If you live in a small space and need a compact, efficient cleaning solution, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It's light and handleable, good absorbance, the quality is the best and easy to assembly. It works very well and it's sticky. The Swiffer Sweeper 2-in-1 Dry Plus Wet Floor Mopping and Sweeping Kit is a game changer for quick and efficient floor cleaning. This multi-surface kit includes a sturdy sweeper, 14 dry sweeping cloths, and 5 wet mopping cloths, making it versatile for tackling dust, dirt, and spills. Users love how easily the Swiffer glides over floors, and the disposable cloths pick up even the tiniest particles, leaving surfaces spotless. It's easy to take the pads on and off to clean. Reaches pretty far. Great for apartments. Number 4. Eureka Blaze Stick Vacuum. Say hello to effortless cleaning. This versatile vacuum tackles any mess with ease. It's a stick vacuum, a handheld, and a crevice tool all in one. Customize it to fit your cleaning needs. At only 4 pounds, it's incredibly easy to maneuver. Yet, it boasts powerful suction to remove even the toughest dirt and pet hair. Its unique swivel steering makes navigating around furniture and tight spaces a breeze. Cleaning has never been so efficient. The capture nozzle easily picks up larger debris, unlike other vacuums that just push it around. Enjoy a truly clean home. The powerful motor and washable filter capture dust, pollen, and other allergens, improving your home's air quality. With an 18-foot cord and extra-large dust cup, you'll spend less time emptying and more time cleaning. No more constant outlet changes. It comes in frustration-free packaging, making it safer for you and better for the environment. What we like? This lightweight vacuum boasts powerful suction to easily pick up dirt and debris. Its 3-in-1 design offers versatility for various cleaning tasks. If you're looking for a convenient and efficient way to clean your home without straining your back, this is the one for you. What people say. Ideal for those who would struggle with a heavy vacuum and small spaces. Long cord, apps 20 feet, works on thick carpeting but not as well, as seen in the video. The carpet shown is a thick nap very old 1980s carpet. And the white stuff is that white flocking off a Christmas tree that nearly velcros itself to the carpet. So the fact it's getting any at all is very impressive. Putting a little weight into it and it works about as well as a full-powered vacuum. Ideal for bedrooms, stairs, and slick floors or thin carpets or rugs. Plenty of suction for these jobs. Love the long handle and the crevice tool, stands by itself, gets underneath my furniture. Using it as a car vac or on furniture with the crevice tool is easy. Best part, it's so light and it does the job. Cord is long enough and it's easy to empty the canister and rinse the filter. Lightweight. Fits into smaller areas that collect debris. No brush underneath, a big plus for smooth flooring. Plug in, no charging to worry about. It's a handheld vac that has a handle option and a floor tool, adjustable length. Empties easily with push button and 45-degree tilt out. Rinse with water, air dry, reinsert for next time. Will stand up alone in the center of the floor. Stores in a small space. Moderately powerful. Sucks up dust balls and light crumbs. Prefer this stick vac to all the rechargeables I've had. Number 3. Eureka NU182B PowerSpeed Vacuum. It features a dynamic motor and brush roll, effortlessly lifting stubborn dirt and debris. The wide nozzle ensures quick and efficient cleaning. At only 10 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to maneuver. You can easily clean your entire home without getting tired. With 5 height adjustments, it seamlessly transitions between carpets, rugs, and hard floors. The smooth wheels protect your hardwood floors from scratches. The extra-large 2.6L dust cup means less frequent emptying, allowing for longer cleaning sessions. Clean more and empty less often. It comes with a quick-release handle, stretch hose, crevice tool, dusting brush, and upholstery tool. These attachments make cleaning hard-to-reach areas a breeze. From carpets to curtains, ceilings to car interiors, it tackles any cleaning challenge. Keep your entire home fresh and clean with ease. What we like? This powerful upright vacuum cleaner is surprisingly lightweight and easy to maneuver. The extra-large dust cup means less frequent emptying. If you need a powerful yet easy-to-use vacuum for whole home cleaning, this is your best bet. What people say. The bag-less system is simple to use and super easy to empty, and does not require replaceable filters, which is a plus. It is light and easy to maneuver, gets under the edges of furniture easily. It cleans right to the edge. The ease of dumping the dust container is also a big thing for me. Other bagless similar vacs and my old Shark vac was a nasty dusty mess to empty. Number 2. Shark VACMOP Pro VM252. Say hello to effortless floor cleaning. It's the ultimate solution for hard floors, combining powerful suction with convenient spray mopping. Unlike other mops, it picks up dirt and debris, then mops up tough messes. All in one disposable pad for a truly clean floor. It powerfully pulls in dirt and debris, locking it away directly in the disposable pad. No more messy cleanups. With a simple touch, it provides a powerful and targeted spray for stuck-on stains. Control the cleaning power at your fingertips. It delivers a complete clean in one disposable pad, without clogging. Plus, no-touch disposal means you never have to touch a dirty pad again. It requires no filter cleaning or other maintenance. Simply replace the pad and you're ready to go. It's cordless and features a rechargeable lithium-ion battery for uninterrupted cleaning. Enjoy the freedom of a truly wireless clean. What we like? This cordless vacuum and mop tackles tough messes with powerful suction and an on-demand spray. The disposable pads make cleanup a breeze. If you value convenience and a truly clean floor, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The vacuum is powerful and picks up all along the edges perfectly. The mop works well too. I love the fact it has disposable pads. I never have to worry about using the same brush roll, and how clean my floor actually is because of that. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, and you don't have to charge it every day. I charge it maybe once a week or more. I guess it depends how much you use it. It has never gone dead on me and I use it every day. The vacuum is actually quite adequate for dog hair and loose debris in the kitchen. It was impressive in the corners and along baseboards, no complaints. Number 1. Swiffer Sweeper Pet Refills. These refills are perfect for pet owners. They're heavy-duty and tackle tough messes with ease. It traps and locks up to 98% of common pet allergens. Say goodbye to pet dander. It eliminates pet odors and leaves your floors smelling fresh with Febreze. It's a must-have for pet owners. Thousands of 3D fibers reach deep into grooves to grab hair, dust, dirt, and allergens. It cleans better than other tools. It's safe for use on tile, hardwood, and vinyl. It's a versatile cleaning solution for your home. This 32-count pack provides plenty of refills for your cleaning needs. It's a great value for your money. What we like? These heavy-duty refills are designed to trap allergens and leave your floors smelling fresh. The Febreze scent adds an extra layer of freshness. If you have pets and want to keep your floors clean and fresh smelling, this is a must-have. What people say. I run a private dog boarding from my house. I have hardwood floors and slate tile in the kitchen. This Swiffer picks up all of the hair and dirt that the dogs bring in. Nice to use when the dogs are outside for a quick swipe on floor so the dog hair doesn't get too out of hand. Gets under the TV and tables, effective, easy to use. These Swiffer pet sweeping cloths work great, especially with our 2 indoor dogs. One is a short hair and one is a mini Aussie. The short-haired dog sheds minimally, but the mini Aussie literally loses clumps of hair daily. These work far better on pet hair than the wet version or even the standard dry version. Their construction makes them attract and cling to pet hair and pick it up. We have been truly amazed at how much pet hair this thing picks up and how much we obviously were leaving behind prior to using these cloths. We have a busy household with 6 people, including toddler twins, a long-haired dog, and 2 cats. Keeping up with the mess is no small feat, but these sheets have made life so much easier. It tackles pet hair, crumbs, and dirt effortlessly, even with the constant messes our little ones create. The fibers are powerful. Great for reaching tight spaces and dusting. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.